She like to yeah, you can't even keep it smile.
So greetings to our people. Greetings to our people in South Africa. And greetings to our members across South Africa, right? But vir ons mense van die Weskaap, ek het gou iets wat ek gou net saam met julle wil praat, man. So we've all listened to the president, no? And we've listened to what the president has said with regards to infrastructure development and how they want to turn South Africa, into a whole infrastructure development program. So 1 trillion has been made available, or 1 trillion is going to be made available, and they're also inviting investors so that they can add it, made it up to 3 trillion, right? My keel is a bit seer, man. So as ek verkeerd praat, wees gewoon net saam met my, right? 1 trillion is going to be invested, no? And then they want investors to come with so that they can make it up to 3 trillion. Now, 1 trillion is already like, okay, die president, hy dink sê, die president was nog besig om sy speech te maak. The president said 1 trillion for infrastructure development. Die DA se minister vir infrastructure development spring so hoog, amper soos die president vir hom gesê het, jump. Afra hy net how hy. Hy jump net so hoog in die lug in. As mos die government of national unity, man, right? But this is what ek wil sê. So, the president they said there's going to be 1 trillion made available. Okay. So when you listen to the amount of money they're going to be made available, and dan say net, if we look at the Western Cape, there's about 600,000 people on the waiting list for houses. 600,000 people is on the waiting list for houses. So, die mense hier in die Weskaap vote mos vir die DA. Is mos reg, julle my sê as ek verkeerd is. They vote for the DA. And the Minister for Infrastructure Development is mos from the DA. Am I correct? And the people that vote for the DA here in the Western Cape is most the colored people. And the majority of the people that's on the waiting list waiting for houses since the days of apartheid is mos die colored mense, as it is so nie. So now, you people who vote for the DA, you got a one-up now. Because remember, the Minister for Infrastructure Development, they must now deliver. I mean, hulle kan nou ry huise bou vir julle kleerling mense, wat so in hokkies bly, wat so in agterjate bly, die backyard dwellers, die mense wat op die straat bly, die mense wat vir 40, 50 jaar op die waiting list is. You can now make sure that you undo with the injustices of the past. What about the forceful removals? You're never going to be able to move that people back to where they were forcefully removed from. But life hasn't ended for us here in Mitchell's Plain. Why are we not talking about new cities? You must build new cities. You can actually take off that 1 trillion now and you can build a whole new city where you take all these people that was forcibly removed, that was living nicely in big houses where the white people are living now. You hear what I'm saying? There where the white people are living now, the colored people used to stay there. Then they were forcefully removed by the NP, which is the Democratic Alliance now today. So in order for them to set the record straight, they can must now build new cities where they can take those people. Hy mense wat nog so wag vir die land claims and that people that must still go for land claims, take that people and put them in the new cities. Alles kan mos net eindig hier in die Mitchells Plain nie. Obviously gaat julle nie meer huise kan bou hierso nie. Dit is mos te op mekaar. Julle gaan nooit ons laat kan raak van die gangsterisme en hy goed nie. Now you have the opportunity to go into our areas, build new art centers, build for us skill centers, build more community centers. Dit is wat julle kan doen. Daar's min skole, die colours kry nie eens amper plek in die skole nie. Bou vir ons meer skole. Moenie nou kon goede bou wat vir die wit mense gaan benefit nie. Bou goede wat die colored mense se lewens vorentoe gaan vat man. Wat dinge gaan change vir ons hier. Bou vir ons meer sporting facilities. Spend hy trillion hier op ons man wat gerop gewees het. Doen hy. Ons was mos vir ons vir remove. Ons plase was afgevat. Spend hy geld op ons. Maar julle gaan sien hoe word hy geld nou weer gespend op die wit mense. Sea Point Pavilion word ook gedoen. Hy lyk Manandi nou nog soos die hondse dinge se. You get what I'm saying? Ons het hier 'n lysie, ons het die campsites, maar die mense het alles aan hulle wit areas. En ek sê dit soos dit is man. Die colonialists, die imperialists, hulle het ons gerop. Ons mense het te lank stil gebly. Nou moet ons nog so sit, daai moeder, hoe gaan dit? Alright moeder, alright. Kyk hier, ons ou mense, kyk hierso. Waar sit die wit mense se ou mense lekker op die beach in die Nature Reserve? Hulle het niks stres nie. Ons ou mense moet nog weg. 87 moet hulle nog weg. Hulle moet kyk aan na hy kinders is aso because die kinders is op drugs. Want julle bou nie rehab soos jy. Ons wil sien of word hy 1 triljoen gespend. Julle DA onsies wat so woud vir die DA. Druk hy minister dat hulle reg geld spend hier in ons communities. Skrik 'n bietjie wakker. Julle sê ons hou by die blou.
Hou